First, you'll need a 1/8 Allen wrench. Take this set screw out of the pin for the back. Just loosen it up. Remove the pin. Then you will need to lean the chair back forward. Get this knuckle out. Set the chair back down. You can either lift this seat bar back, or you can remove it with a 9/16 wrench. You will need a 9/16 wrench and ratchet. Remove the bolt for the mount. Lift this roller bar up, grab a hold of the knuckle, and you'll need to twist in order to get this rod out. And lift it straight out, set it down, and then just slide everything out, keeping it in order to install it correctly. Today we are installing a Marus back motor. The motor has internal limit switches that has been preset at the factory, and it is important to not rotate the shaft or nut. In the event the limit switches are adjusted without the motor running, see our tutorial video on how to reset the limit switches. You need to take this rod, enter the knuckle onto the shaft. Slide this plastic washer on, and the roller bar for the seat, and the end cap. Lift it up. You'll have to come in at an angle in order to get this in the sliding. Adjust the plastic. Set the motor where it's mounted. Set the screw for the motor mount. You will need a 9/16 ratchet and wrench. Get this tightened down. Set this roller up on the track. Okay, now you'll take this pin that you removed. You can set the seat bar down, lift the back up, hold the back on to the knuckle, slide it in to where the set screw will get in the groove. Then you'll use your 1/8 wrench, your Allen wrench, tighten that down. That's it. Now with the motor installed, we're going to test the limit switches to make sure they shut off properly.
For more information and replacement parts, go to www.exceldentalparts.com.